These shoes came out of the box looking like this, and today they look like this, thanks to the monsoon season. So it's the perfect time to show you exactly how to clean Ludic DS Moto sneakers without damaging the suede. Welcome back to SHOEGR Care Academy. It's your boy Mojo, aka SHOEGR Daddy. And today is the first episode of SHOEGR X Ludic series. We will be cleaning and caring Ludic's most beloved sneakers while teaching you the right techniques along the way. This is Ludic DS Moto Tarmac Black. As you know, your boy loves motorsports, and even this sneaker is inspired by motorsports. It is built with premium suede, reflective detailing, and Ludic's signature low-profile outsole, which includes 5 of the most amazing motorsports tracks. Vroom! If you like this pair, you can buy it from Ludic's website. We will put the link in the description. Before we start cleaning, let's inspect the shoe, how dirty it is. Okay, we've got dry mud covering all the suede, so the uppers are pretty messed up. The laces are dirty too. The collars, they have some dust. The outsole grooves are packed with a lot of dirt. The good news, nothing here looks permanent. Let's keep the left shoe aside and start cleaning. For today's cleaning video, we will be using our ultimate cleaning kit, which has 3 different brushes, soft, medium, hard, a 100 ml solution, and a microfiber cloth. We will be also using our dedicated Pro Suede kit, which involves an eraser and a suede brush. Plus, to help with cleaning, I will be using our Shape It, a collapsible bowl, and our cleaning mat. In regular scenario, हम suede shoes को हमेशा dry clean करते हैं, but you can see the mud has settled down in the suede graze, so wet cleaning with ultimate kit is necessary. The biggest mistake people do is use too much of water. Our goal is to clean the material, not to soak it in the water. We will start by removing the laces. The laces are out and we will put the Shape It. Before we get down with the solution, हम इसे dry brush करेंगे with our soft bristle brush. It's time to prepare our solution. We'll use the collapsible bowl. We will add a 200 ml of water, 3 pumps, 1, 2, 3. We are going to use the same soft bristle brush. We're gonna dip it inside the solution. Little bit of solution and water is good enough. So we're gonna go in one motion, get rid of all this dust. Then we will use the microfiber towel. Always tap the suede, never rub it. Now we will do a little circular motion on the toe box. We are not going to forget all the different parts. Also, do not forget the silicone pull tab. Similarly, we'll use the microfiber cloth. Just dab it. It's coming back in shape. Okay, let's not forget the tongue. Tongue doesn't have suede, so that is why I am rubbing it. Now let's clean the midsoles. We will be using our medium bristle brush. Now it's time to clean my favorite part, the outsoles, which are inspired by racetracks. We will be using our hard bristle brush. We gotta get deep inside to these racing tracks. The suede is right now a little wet, so we will have to let it dry for a while. In the meantime, we will clean the laces. And we got the laces. Dip it in. You gotta rinse it, rinse it, rinse it. There you go. Let's give it a final wipe with the microfiber towel. Suede थोड़ा गीला है, so हमें इसको थोड़ी देर रखना पड़ेगा so that ये dry हो जाए. Do not involve direct sunlight or hair dryers or heater or blower, anything. No, suede requires patience. Let us see, guys. The suede is dry, the dirt is gone, but the texture is hardened. So it's time to fix it. And for that, what are we gonna use? Our Pro Suede kit. सबसे पहले मैं brass and nylon brush का इस्तेमाल करूंगा all across the shoe and I am going to do some gentle long strokes. Now I'm going to use my special trick is I am going to use the eraser all over the shoe so that we make the nap look much better. Now we are going to use the soft rubber bristles so that we make the shoe look much better. And I will use the knife part of this brush as well to those places where I cannot reach. The suede is coming back and we are pretty much done with the cleaning. As you can see, the color is little faded as well, but you don't have to worry because we have our Revive to bring back the suede color too. Oh! To use the Revive, you have to shake it well before use. Take the sneaker and start putting it all across the shoe. Alright guys, you can see the sneaker is back to life. Now I'm gonna put down the laces and we are going to give you a nice B-roll. A big thank you to Ludic for collaborating with us in this special series. And if there's any Ludic sneaker you want us to clean in the next video, write it down in the comments. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. This is Mojo signing off. Let's go. There you go, brother.